Hello everyone! Welcome to the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course. In this video, we'll talk about our course motivation. So I will start talking about how everything started. And first, we are UnibucRobotics, and everything started a few years ago when we were a robotics laboratory at our university with the sole purpose of bringing students closer to using hardware devices. So everything started small. As you can see in the picture, those are some cars that have their chassis from cardboard. So yeah, that was the beginning. But we were very enthusiastic about it, and we hope that everyone else will be too. But we had no idea how many students will gather around us after just a couple of years. So yeah, right now, those are photos from the last year. Instead of cardboard chassis, we use 3D printing to create projects because at the Introduction to Robotics course, the students at the end of the course need to make a project based on their passion or whatever they want to create. Maybe something useful, maybe something practical for a hobby, and so on. And the last year, we did a collaboration between the Introduction to Robotics students and Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing students. And the robotics students did the components inside of the products, and the 3D modeling and printing students created the bodies, designed the objects. So as you can see, what you see in those pictures, the ukulele, Wally, and the motorcycle are designed by students who finished the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course, and those projects are 3D printed with the 3D printers from our university, which you can use. Bummer, not this year, but for sure when we'll be back at the university, you'll be able to use them too. But more than that, we have an entire roadmap right now. So you are here in the first year, the second semester, following the Introduction to 3D Modeling and Printing course that will help you understand how to design a product. Then we'll have the Introduction to Robotics course, which is in the second year, first semester. And with that in mind, that you already know how to think a product, you can really create it and make it function. The following thing is Introduction to Internet of Things. And in the last year of the bachelor studies, we have robot operating system. And at the master studies, we'll have a course about self-driving cars. Well, meet our printers. I told you that we have 3D printers at our university. So those are the printers: Rainbow, Brancush, Persa, and Zortrax. On the other side of the motivation, I was also a student at the Introduction to Robotics course, which I enjoyed a lot, and I really wanted for my bachelor thesis to do something with robotics and to both design, because I was passionate about this, and we had a 3D printer, so it was my chance to do something that combined them both. And this passion went further with a startup that I'm working at, where we are creating a smart motorized orthosis, which has its body 3D printing because we are still prototyping it. And as you can see, we want to use those resources that we have at the university, both hardware and filaments for 3D printing, in a useful way. And that's how the orthosis became to reality, and that's why it's a project that we are working on. So that's it about why we are doing this course. Now you need to find out why you want to pursue this course. But if you found your reason, well, see you in the next video.